Under the leadership of Abiy Ahmed, the Ethiopian Somali region has begun a historic transformation. For decades, this region was known more for militarization than development, more for fear than opportunity, more for control than inclusion. The region was treated as a security fortress, and the Somali people were forced to live a fortress life, isolated, restricted, cut off from meaningful development and economic opportunity. Communities lived with limited infrastructure, few roads, weak healthcare systems, underfunded schools, and almost no space for private investment or growth. But today, that painful legacy is slowly changing. A new reality is emerging. Peace-building efforts are expanding. Infrastructure projects are moving forward. Roads are connecting cities and rural areas. Schools and hospitals are increasing. Urban development is reshaping towns, and economic activity is beginning to rise. Isolation is being replaced with integration. Marginalization is being replaced with participation. Fear is being replaced with hope. This shift is more than policy reform. It is the restoration of dignity, the restoration of citizenship, and the restoration of opportunity for millions of Somali Ethiopians. Challenges still remain. Progress is not perfect, but the direction is clear. A new chapter is being written, a chapter of unity, a chapter of equity, a chapter of shared prosperity. This is not just a regional transformation, it is a national moment. Ethiopia's future must include every region, every community, and every citizen. East African mindset, informing, inspiring, empowering. If this story is matter-like, share, subscribe.